So here I am again with the TV that I bought yesterday, and I'm going to show you how to mount this TV on a no metal stud drywall. Okay, no stud drywall. So, but the very first thing you got to do here is to attach these vertical brackets that came with the no stud TV mount from CondoMounts. Alright, this is from CondoMounts, and I'm going to show you how to attach these vertical brackets behind this TV. As you can see, it has a very small VESA size. Alright, this is called VESA size. And how do you attach this onto the back of the TV? Before you start placing this onto the back of the TV, you gotta make sure that it does not, the bracket actually fits the TV size. So all these screws are already given together with the set. This is the set from CondoMounts, and it is a no stud drywall TV mount. So I'm just gonna place this here. And some of you asked whether is it fine if the bracket right here sticks out above the height of the TV. Yeah, it's fine, no problem. And I'm gonna show you why later, right? So firstly, so make sure you choose the same hole as the one you did on the first bracket, so that it is aligned, alright? Okay, if you notice, I did not use these spacers. Okay, these spacers are to make sure that the brackets are further away from the TV, so that the TV is a bit pushed away from the drywall. I did not use this because there is this area already which allows the TV to be away from the drywall. So yeah, you can still access the slots behind, so I did not use these spacers to mount this TV. So if you want to place the spacers, you're okay to do so. Done with the top screws, I'm going to do on the bottom screws. So done with that, I'm going to make sure everything is tight, and there you go. You're done placing the vertical brackets behind the TV. It's a 32-inch TV. It's very light it's very light, and it is really suitable for a drywall without any metal stacks behind the drywall. Right? So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to mount this onto the drywall.